Okay, so, hey guys, this is actually my third time trying to record this video. I actually started out trying to play Paper.io, but the ads kept stopping the recording. So I'll just do this game called Left versus Right, which is like training your brain. And hope you enjoy. So, let's see. Thanks for choosing Left versus Right. Before you start playing, you must complete the onboarding process and optionally sign up to save your progress. For each of the 6 categories, please select one or more of the following skills you would like to improve the most by tapping to enable them. Okay. Improve your awareness. I want to consistently remember people and places I meet and recognize objects I am looking for. A disorder. Be better acquainted with my surroundings. I'll go with the first one. Improve your reflexes. I want to respond to challenges and questions faster with more confidence. Improve your reaction time to catch or avoid objects. Solve solutions and methods to new problems and systems quicker. I guess I'll go with the second one. Let's see. I want to improve your reasoning. I want to process calculations faster, connect related pieces of information correctly, discover and recognize patterns quickly. I'll go with 3 since, didn't know you could click more than one, but I'll just go with 1 still. I want to remain calm and focused while faced with challenges, stay attentive and alert for longer periods of time, effectively sort through information to gather what is relevant. So, because of my ADD, I'm gonna try to go with number 2. Yeah. Improve your precision. I want to capture differences between similar items quickly, measure dimensions of objects at a glance, identify errors, and determine necessary corrections. I don't really know, what errors they mean, on what. Number 3, so I'm going with number 1. Improve your adaptability. I want to successfully switch to a different way of thinking when faced with a problem, quickly become accustomed to a new system or set of rules, be more resourceful in arriving at creative solutions to problems. Number 3. I will actually sign up later, so I can just get into this for you guys real quick. Welcome to Left versus Right. In order to get the most out of our games, we recommend you train at least 10 to 15 minutes every day. Also, thank you so much for playing. We really appreciate your support. Now go train your brain. Team Left versus Right. Howard, Kyle, and Dominic. Dominic is a really square guy, if you get what I mean. That's not funny, at all. Let's start training. Let's see. Play. Number will appear. Keep this number in mind. Next. The second number will appear. Quickly add this number with the first one. A third number will appear. If this number is the sum of the first 2, then quickly tap it. If it isn't the sum of the previous 2, then add this to the previous number and wait. Quickly tap the current number once it is the sum of the previous 2 numbers. Stay alert and keep the numbers in mind, as it may take a while before the condition is met. Okay, so let's do this. The first number is 3. Second number is 4. 3 plus 4 equals 7. So I guess 7. Okay, nope. There we go. 5. 2. 5, 5, 2, 7, 4, 3. Again? Really? 3, 6. This is pretty easy. 4, 5, 3, 4, 4, 8, 6, 4, 9, 6, 2, 7, 9, 2, 7, 8, 13, 21. Oh man. Oh, I feel real stupid now. So 7, 4, 5, 8, 8, 7, 10, 17, 6, 10, 13, 18, 21, 18. Whoa. I didn't click it. This game is out to get me, guys. Alright. What was the first number? Okay. Let's continue. Next category, reflex. Play. Remain alert and patiently wait for any person to move. Tap the person as soon as you see them move. Oh. Alright. Ah. So I really think they should place the characters farther apart so you can't see them both move at the same time. Let's see. But yeah, they really placed the characters too close together. Oh my god, wouldn't let me click it. That thing moves fast. Oh. Reasoning. Okay. Oh. Okay then. Okay. Let's see, 25 plus. It's easy. 25. What? Giving these easy ones. Let's see, where is it? Here. No! Is this, yeah. Oh wow. I might cut that bit out. If I cut it out, you won't know what I'm talking about. But if I don't cut it out, then you will. What is this? Oh, observe and remember the places the courier, whatever, visits. Tap the place in the order they were visited. Okay. What? No. What the heck? No. It's not even... Whatever. Whatever. Just whatever. Okay. I admit, that was just me being stupid. It's not... Okay. Wasn't letting me click this guitar. Game is getting on my nerves. Yeah, I really don't like this one. Alright, 4 this time. Alright, I got it. I already know. Okay. So go with this star right here, then this yellow heart, then this purple triangle, then this pink heart. Okay, I got this. So yellow square, blue star, orange star, yellow star. Okay, alright, I got it. Pink heart, pink square, yellow triangle, blue triangle. Last one. Alright, this one is pretty easy. Blue heart, orange square, purple triangle, pink heart. They're all different colors that time. Alright, catch the fastest moving person. Okay, I guess we can do that. Alright. Alright. Oh, that was easy. You'll be asked to give attention to a certain shape and or color. Quickly count the target objects on both sides of the screen. Wait, what? I don't Oh, I accidentally skipped it. Some more red squares. Alright, left. Alright. This is pretty easy. Didn't really need the instructions for it, but yeah. It's always good to make sure, even though I accidentally skipped one, they're equal. Alright. Let's see. I guess I'll do one more. Let's try, I guess. Alright. Come on, hurry up. Hurry up. Yeah. Come on, hurry up. Yeah. Come on, hurry up. Yep. Come on, hurry up. Oh no. Yep, yeah. Come on, hurry up. Yep, yeah. Come on. Oh, you wanna go that way? Okay. Yeah. Let's go. I'm beginning to feel like a rap. All my people from it to the back. I know he thinks her arms are long enough to slap back. Call me a rap, but for me, rap like a Miss B in my jeans. Got a laptop in my back pocket. My pen go off when I half cock it. Fat not for that rap profit. Made a living and a killing off it ever since Bill Clinton was still. Alright, let me stop. I guess I'll just. Alright, last one, I promise. Then I will be saying goodbye. Alright, let's do this. Last one, and bada bing, bada boom. So, right when I step in the room, because I'm a hustler. Alright, that's it for today. Well, I actually plan on recording another video later, but,